You've heard it a million times. Don't eat after 8 p.m. But what if that's not entirely true? Late night eating isn't the real villain, your habits are. Let's uncover what truly happens when you eat late at night. You work late, feel hungry, and grab something quick and easy. Chips, noodles, or leftovers. Your comfort meal before bed. But you wake up bloated, heavy, and tired every morning. The truth? It's not the time. It's what and how you eat. Your metabolism doesn't just shut off after 8 p.m. It slows slightly, but digestion still works, just more sensitive. Heavy carbs, fried food, or sugary snacks spike insulin overnight. That's what leads to fat storage and poor quality sleep. You can eat late, just choose smarter, lighter options. Try protein-rich snacks like Greek yogurt, almonds, or boiled eggs. Avoid soda, desserts, or processed food before bed completely. Drink water or herbal tea to reduce midnight cravings naturally. And aim to finish eating at least 2 hours before sleep. Don't blame the clock. Blame the choices. It's not late night eating that makes you gain fat. It's the wrong foods and no routine that harm your body. Follow this page for real fitness truths and mindful eating tips.